Hello, and welcome to Math 97 IN2 Online. I'm Melissa Rossi, and this will be a short video tutorial to help you navigate the course. Right now, I'm logged into blackboard.swic.edu. You can see here in the address line, and this is the main page. If we look at the menu first, the Syllabus Getting Started tab is where you would like to begin. There are a few items that I would like you to read first, and then if you scroll further down this tab, you can see the syllabus is posted. If you click on it, it will open the syllabus. It's a PDF file, so it should open immediately. You will please need to read this syllabus and know it. It has very important information regarding how to contact me. It also has very important information about what is required for course materials. And then it starts talking about the grading procedure. We will have homework, we will have practice exams, and we will then take proctored exams in the SWIC Testing Center. Then goes further to explain the makeup policy, where tests have to be taken, what the dates of the tests, the final date. You can take an exam early but never pass the date in this box, the grading scale, and then other important information that you should read in the syllabus. So that's posted on the Getting Started Syllabus tab. Also in the Getting Started Syllabus tab, you will find the course schedule. So if you open the course calendar, you will see what is expected of you to do and when it's due each week. So the way this calendar works is the first column tells you the due date. The next column will be what homework is due that week. The practice exam column and exam column are when practice exams are due. They are not every week. So for example, this Friday, January 20th, you will have R45, Section 1.1, 1.2, and 1.5 homework due. When you look at February 3rd, you have homework Section 2.5 due, plus you must take the practice exam and have that completed, and you must have taken exam 1 proctored at a SWIC testing facility. At the bottom of the course calendar are some other important dates. So please know your course calendar. I would also advise you print it off and post it somewhere that you can see daily. A few other things in the Syllabus Getting Started tab are directions that you must follow to register for MyMathLab. MyMathLab is how we access all of our assignments. So these are directions for how you access the correct course. So you'll sign into Blackboard. Along the menu, you will select Access Code. You will then look to find the green bar that says Reveal Access Code and continue to follow the directions. Also over on the menu, when you get to step 5, it will say Return to the course page and click the MyMathLab link. So if you go back to the course menu, you can see MyMathLab is second in our list of menu items. So please, please, in the Syllabus Getting Started tab, follow the MyMathLab directions for the proper access to the proper course to do all of your assignments. The final item added to the Syllabus Getting Started tab is how you register online to take exams for this course. This Testing Center online registration link will send you, is actually a YouTube video, I apologize. That's a video to help you understand how to register for a test that you will take at our SWIC Testing Center. So that is a video that I uploaded. Also along the side is Math 97 content. So if we open that, I will put folders in here for material that pertains to each exam. So material for exam 1 is posted right now. Right now, all that's in this folder are guided notes that you could fill in on your own if you would like. Very soon, I will also have these same guided notes posted as a key so that you can see what is correct for all of these notes. These are the notes that you should first be learning to help you make the homework easier. Announcements are where I will post announcements, and then these announcements will also be immediately emailed to your student.swic email account. I will post announcements weekly, helping you remember what is due that week. There is a discussions tab. If you click the discussions tab, it will open up and ask you to introduce yourself to the class. Scotty Online Tutoring. This link will navigate you to SWIC's Online Tutoring Center. If you ever have questions with homework, you can submit them to the online tutoring and they will help you. Important student links will give you a link if MyMathLab is not working quite right for you. You can check the browser. The Testing Center link will help you register for your exam. So when you click that link, it will open the SWIC main page to Testing Centers. If you scroll down, you can find the hours and location of the testing center, what their guidelines are, and then the final box that says instructional testing, schedule an appointment. If you click on that, it is the process that you follow to schedule an online appointment. You must take exams for this course in a SWIC testing center. They must be proctored. There is a SWIC testing center at the Belleville campus and one at the Sam Wolf Granite City campus. So if you would like to take a test at the Belleville campus, you will click Belleville campus. That will open you to a new page where you will fill in the required student information. So you will put your name, your phone number, your student email, and student ID number. You will put in math. You will put in 97 IN2. When it says test number, that relates to what exam you are taking. So for example, when you would like to take the first exam, your test number you would write there is exam 1. Instructor, you would say Melissa Rossi. And then they ask you if you'd like an on-campus appointment or a remote access appointment. Please note for remote appointments, you must have the proper equipment, which is a laptop, not a Chromebook, and fast enough internet along with the webcam to take the test remotely. You then have to put in first and second appointment requests. Since the course calendar is uploaded and you know when every single test is due, I advise you to go ahead and schedule for all of your exams to guarantee you get the date and time you need. So if we go back to our Blackboard course under Important Student Links, there's also Success Center Tutoring Schedule. If you click that link, it will share the hours of the Success Center. SWIC Technology Assistance. This will navigate you to the page if you're having trouble with your laptop or email or Blackboard or eStorm, and there'll be numbers and links to help get answers to those. My Grades is where grades will be populated. So you can see right now that all sections of homework and exams are uploaded. When you do the work, you will have a grade. It seems to be out of order right now. I will make sure that it is in a better order than how I'm seeing it right now. Professor information. This is who I am, Melissa Rossi. I'm located on the Belleville campus in the main complex. Upstairs on the second floor in office 2047. My phone number is extension 5440, and there is my email. The absolute best way to communicate with me is through email. That is the fastest response time for me to get back to you. I hope this tutorial video has helped navigate you through the course and to help you begin successfully. So again, it is important to start first with the Syllabus Getting Started tab, to read the important information, and to first do all of the required components. To wrap up, I look forward to having you in my class, and I hope that you do understand that as an online student, you must manage your time wisely, find enough time each week to practice and learn the material. Good luck, and don't hesitate to reach out to me if you have questions.